Hello guys, today I've got the HONOR MagicPad 4 and I'm going to show you how to adjust the speaker volume and equalizer on your tablet. As you can see on the side here, we have got this volume buttons. If we go this side, we can decrease the volume, and this towards up, we can increase the volume level. And these are the basics. Apart from that, if we go to the settings, here, sounds and vibration, just sound. Here we need to go to the volume, and if we tap here, show more, we can see that here we've got notifications volume, alarms, and we can increase or decrease, and music, videos, and the games. Here, if you go down, we can see more sound settings. And here we've got up volume control. If you tap it, if you enable it, I won't do it with my pencil. Here we are allowed. We allows you to adjust volume levels on a per app basis. But here, if you go back and tap HONOR sound effects and tap allow, we can see that here we've got this spatial audio and stereo audio. We don't really have here the option to edit the equalizer, so that's actually it for this video. Goodbye!